In this video, I will show you how to remove coming soon page in WordPress. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have this error right here, which is a 404 page or a coming soon page. Now, if you want to actually remove it, what you can do is you can head over right here to your dashboard and then just disable it on the app that you have for the coming soon. So for this one, let's head over to our settings. I actually have 404 page by Seed Prod installed. So let's head over and click on this. And then once you have clicked on it, you can see this. Click on this disabled right here. Click on the save all changes. And then once you have saved this particular change, as you can see, it's been disabled. You can head over right here and refresh this. Now, as you can see, the page not found has been changed. And when you head over to your actual link, you should be able to see that your WordPress website has been running as usual. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.